Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 10-piece Milwaukee concrete drill bit set. So it comes in this pack-out box. I like that it's nice and easy to close. This is for concrete screws for drilling in concrete. I like that you can see the sizes really easy. I like that these will go in a screw gun and an impact gun. So these have a 1/4-inch shank that you can put in a impact driver. And the impact action is going to help with drilling into concrete. Now, if you're going to use a drill, you want to make sure your drill has the impact logo, like the hammer drill. So you're going to put it, you can put it, just chuck it in there like you would. But make sure you're on hammer drill. Now, even the bigger drill bits here, they're 1/4-inch, they'll fit into an impact gun. And their ends look just a little bit different. Looks like the top two look that way, and then the ones on down from that size, looks like the 5/16 on down look like a standard concrete. Again, these are for drilling in concrete. Now it comes with the 1/8, 3/16, the 1/4-inch. You've got a spot here to put a couple more extra bits if you need to. You got a 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4-inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Let's do some really quick measurements. So that 1/2 inch looks like it's about 4 inches. You probably could go about 4.5 inches down. Same with the 3, about 4.5 inches. So for these over here, 4.5 inches. 7/32 looks like about 4.5 inches. 3/16 also. And same with the 5/32. Now the smaller ones, not as deep, about 2 3/4 looks like. Well, actually, you know, the hole could get about 2 inches. About 2.5 for the 3/16, and about 2.5 for the 1/4-inch, and about 4 inches for the rest. Now it does say if you're using the impact gun, it's only for medium to high speed. If you're using a drill with the hammer selection, looks like you can go into full concrete. But they say no solid concrete with just a impact gun. And this is the kit 48-20-9058. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.